Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing on the theoretical explanation for the exercise 1.5, that is about the complements of a set, then about what is a De Morgan's law, and then we'll try to learn some how to do it, prove the laws using Venn diagrams and some properties of the complement set. Okay, so first let's directly start with what is a complement of a set. To understand about a complement of a set, let us take a set. You can see here as Venn diagram, right? Represented. You can see here a Venn diagram, and also you can see some portion of the Venn diagram is like the outside portion of the circle is shaded using blue lines, and the inside there is no shades. So complement is that, so for example, the complement of the subset A is the set of all elements of the union which are not universal set, which are not the elements of A. That is, in this set A's complement is all the elements which are outside this subset are the elements of A complement. I hope it's clear. If you write it in roster or in set builder form, you can write it as A complement is that X such that X belongs to universal set. That is, X is an element of a universal set, but it does not belong to the subset A. So complement is nothing but all the elements which are all the elements outside the subset A, or you can also say that a complement of A is a set of all elements of the universal set which are not the elements of A. So if you have written A complement like that, A complement is what here? The blue shaded portion, right? Similarly, can you write A complement the whole complement? What is that? X says that X belongs to the universal set and X does not belongs to A complement. A complement is what? The outside portion of the circle, right? So taking again the complement of that, what it is? It is same as the subset A itself. So A complement of the whole complement is again what? Is the same, nothing but it is the same set A itself. I hope it's clear. This is what about the complement of a set is. We'll do, don't worry about now. We'll discuss many problems. So you will get a better understanding about this. Or shall we take some examples? Let's discuss some examples. For example, A says that A is a set, okay, with elements 1, 2, 3. Universal set is a subset with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is A complement here? A complement is nothing but the all the elements which does not belong to the subset A. So what is that? With 1, 2, 3 are already in the subset A. So the elements 4 and 5 constitute the complement of A. So that's what the complement of A is. We have to now learn about what is De Morgan's law. This is very important and it will be also useful for your again the further chapters. For example, in probability you will be again using these laws for your further problems. So it's a good to know about what is De Morgan's law and what are the properties based on complement of a set. So De Morgan's law states that the complement of union of two sets. So for example, if you have two sets A and B, and if you take that complement of that set is same as taking the complement of the individual sets and then taking its intersection. That is, the complement of union of two sets is the intersection of their complements. If you take A union B, that is A and B are two sets, A union B the whole complement is same as A complement intersection B complement. And also if you take the A intersection B the whole complement is same as A complement union B complement. If you have any doubts on these formulas, please try to draw the Venn diagrams, and I won't ask you to draw like directly a Venn diagram for this figure. You can also build up slowly using each time. You know that there are two subsets in this, for example in this subset, in this Venn diagram. So you know that A and B are the elements. So draw from the starting. First you have to do what? A union B the whole complement. We'll do the LHS part of this one. A union B is what? All the portions which are elements of both A and B. If you take the complement means what it is? All the elements which are outside of this set. So the elements outside, that is the blue shaded portion in the diagram. So that is the LHS. And now let's take the RHS and let's see that whether this formula is valid or not. A complement intersection B complement. So first let's do it individually. A complement is nothing but all the elements outside the subset A. That is what's shown in this first figure of it. And in the second one, it is what? B complement. B complement is again what? All the elements which are outside of the subset B is called B complement. So if you take the intersection of both these sets, you can see that the portion outside the A union B is common for both the sets, right? And that's what drawn in this figure. So this is the answer for the RHS. Now compare with the LHS and RHS figures, you can see that both these sets are same, and hence you can say that the law by De Morgan is valid. So what is De Morgan's law? Once again, the complement of union of two sets, that is A union B, the whole complement, is the intersection of their complements. If you take that elements and take the complements, A complement intersection B complement is same as A union B, the whole complement. I hope it's clear. Now let's discuss about some properties again on complement of sets. Similarly, we have also discussed some properties such as associative law, commutative law, distributive law. These are laws in union and intersection of sets. Like these, we have some laws and properties for complement of set. Please remember this. This will be really helpful for your further sections and also to understand more detail about what are sets. So first is about complement law. A union A complement. What is A? Set of all elements which belongs to A. A complement means what? Set of all elements which does not belongs to A. So if you add up all these subsets, what you will get? You will get your universal set. Again, if you try to take a intersection, is there any common between A and A complement? No, there are no elements which are common with A, set A and set A complement. So the result is what? 5. It's valid, right? Again, De Morgan's law, we have already discussed that A union B, the whole complement is what? A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B complement is again what? A complement union B complement. That is their union of their complements of the set. Next, law of double complementation, that we have already discussed in the previous section. What is that? A complement, the whole complement is what? The same set A itself. So that's what the law of double complementation. Next, about law of empty set and universal set. Wow, that's important. What is phi complement? See, that is there is a universal set, there is a Venn diagram, and inside that there is an empty set. What is that? Empty set does not have any elements. So what is that? If you take the complement of that, you will get the rest all the elements of the set, that is the universal set. And similarly, if you take the complement of the universal set, all the elements are there, and if you take the complement of that, there are no elements left, and that is what? This is an empty set. So that's what here discussed by an empty set. So that's all for this section again, and now we will discuss the work problems on based on exercise 1.5. Okay, so let's see you over there. Bye bye.